Let's learn about mix operations: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. When I get a combination of multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, the order is important. Consider this. What is 7 plus 2 times 3? Is the answer 27 or is it 13? The order of operation is a set of math rules that tells you which operation to do first. So it's time to learn BODMAS. B. Solve your brackets first. Then O. Order of exponents, powers, roots, etc. D and M. Division or multiplication. And A and S. Addition or subtraction. Now remember this. B. Brackets first. Then orders your powers, square roots, etc. Then division and multiplication from left to right, and addition and subtraction also from left to right. Therefore, in the equation 7 plus 2 times 3, we firstly multiply. So 2 times 3 equals 6, and then we add the 7. So our answer is 13.